Some tools look like simple upgrades until you use them on a real job site and everything changes. On AU Techverse, we're about to reveal 20 brand new Milwaukee tools you've probably never seen before, and every single one is linked in the description on Amazon. Skip even a few seconds and you might miss the one tool that could completely change how you work. Bluetooth hearing protection earbuds. There's a moment on every job site when the noise becomes overwhelming. Cutting tools screaming, metal clashing, and constant hammering breaking your focus. In that chaos, missing a warning sound or a teammate's call can be dangerous. Milwaukee's Bluetooth hearing protection earbuds are designed for exactly this situation. They reduce harmful noise while still letting in important sounds like voices and alerts. At the same time, you can take calls or listen to audio without disconnecting from your surroundings. It's a smart way to stay protected without losing awareness. Rocket Dual Power Tower. Light. When daylight fades, the job doesn't stop, but your visibility does. Shadows get deeper, details become harder to judge, and small mistakes start turning into bigger problems. The Milwaukee Rocket Dual Power Tower light is built for these exact moments. It runs on both battery and plug-in power, sets up quickly and spreads even, balanced light across the entire workspace instead of creating harsh glare. Whether you're working indoors or outside at night, it keeps your environment clearly visible. Good lighting doesn't just help you see, it helps you work with confidence and accuracy. M18 Carry-on 3,300 watts / 1,800 watts mobile power supply. Power issues on a job site are not always about availability. They're about reliability. Unstable generators, overloaded cords, and inconsistent output can damage tools or slow everything down. The Milwaukee M18 Carry-on 3,300 watts / 1,800 watts mobile power supply solves that by delivering clean, steady power wherever you need it. You can roll it into position, plug in your tools, and work without interruptions or fluctuations. It's especially useful for sensitive equipment and continuous tasks. When your power source becomes dependable, your entire workflow feels smoother, safer, and far more controlled. Bolt Modular Hard Hat System. On most job sites, a hard hat is something you wear because you have to, not because it actually helps you work better. Milwaukee's Bolt Modular Hard Hat System changes that completely. Instead of being just protective gear, it becomes a customizable setup where you can attach lights, face shields, or hearing protection securely without any loose fittings. It stays comfortable even during long shifts and fits firmly without constant adjustment. When everything you need is integrated into one system, you spend less time adjusting gear and more time staying focused on the job. Armor, tread safety. Boots. From the moment you step onto a job site until the day ends, your boots carry the entire load. Uneven surfaces, sharp debris, and slippery areas can quickly turn into serious risks. Milwaukee Armor. Tread safety boots are designed to handle those conditions with a slip-resistant outsole and built-in puncture protection. What makes them stand out is how they stay comfortable even after hours of walking and standing. Yet you don't feel weighed down or restricted. When your footing is secure and your comfort is consistent, you can move confidently and stay focused on your work all day. M18 Fuel 20-inch dual battery chainsaw. There are times when a job demands serious cutting power, and traditional gas chainsaws have always been the go-to, but they come with noise, fumes, and constant maintenance. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 20-inch dual battery chainsaw changes that experience completely. With two batteries working together, it delivers strong, consistent cutting performance without the hassle of gas. It starts instantly, runs smoother with less vibration, and feels more controlled during long cuts. When you can get the same level of power with more stability and less effort, the entire job becomes easier to manage. M18 Fuel Cordless Coil Roofing. Nailer. Especially working on a roof is already challenging, and dragging air hoses or managing a compressor only adds more risk. Every step needs to be stable, and every movement has to be controlled. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Coil Roofing Nailer removes those limitations completely. It delivers fast, consistent nailing without the need for hoses or external equipment, allowing you to move freely across the surface. The response is immediate, even during continuous use, so your workflow stays uninterrupted. When your tool adapts to your movement instead of restricting it, the job becomes safer and far more efficient. M18 Fuel Duplex Nailer for Concrete Formwork. Concrete formwork is one of those tasks where physical effort builds up quickly. Repeated hammering slows you down, and consistency becomes harder to maintain as fatigue sets in. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Duplex Nailer is designed to remove that strain. Instead of relying on manual force, it drives duplex nails cleanly and consistently with a simple trigger action. Every connection is uniform, regardless of how long you've been working. Over a full day, that reduction in effort makes a noticeable difference. When your energy is preserved, your performance stays steady from start to finish. MX Fuel Handheld Core Drill for Concrete. Drilling into reinforced concrete is usually a slow, demanding process that involves heavy equipment, cords, and complicated setup. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Handheld Core Drill simplifies that entire experience. It's fully cordless, so you can carry it directly to the work area and start without dealing with power connections or tangled cables. The drilling remains steady, with controlled force and reduced vibration, which makes it easier to maintain accuracy. When you can move freely and still achieve precise results, even complex concrete work becomes far more manageable and efficient. AutoZero Electric Conduit. Bender. Bending conduit might seem routine, but even a small angle mistake can ruin an entire run and waste valuable time. Rechecking measurements and making adjustments slows everything down. The Milwaukee AutoZero Electric Conduit. Bender removes that uncertainty by automatically calibrating before each bend. It delivers accurate, repeatable angles without relying on manual judgment or guesswork. You get consistent results from the first bend to the last, even over long runs. When precision becomes automatic instead of effort-based, your work stays clean, efficient, and on schedule without unnecessary corrections. M18 Fuel Compact Impact Driver. Tight spaces can turn a simple fastening job into a frustrating task. Standard tools often feel too bulky, making it hard to reach corners or work close to edges. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Impact Driver is built for exactly those situations. Its smaller size allows easy access without sacrificing the power needed for demanding fastening. It drives screws smoothly with controlled force, reducing kickback and strain on your wrist. The built-in LED also improves visibility in low-light areas. When a tool gives you both access and control, even the most restricted spaces become easy to handle. MM18 Fuel 1/2 inch Cordless Router. There's a moment in every routing job where you can instantly tell if the tool's going to deliver a clean finish or not. Why any lack of power or instability shows up in the cut right away. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 inch Cordless Router is built to remove that uncertainty. It cuts smoothly with consistent speed, maintaining control even under load. Depth adjustments are precise, allowing you to work confidently without second-guessing each pass. When a router feels stable from start to finish, you spend less time fixing imperfections and more time trusting the result. M12 Fuel Ultra Lightweight Cordless Planer. Some tasks require precision rather than power, especially when you are trimming edges or making fine adjustments on finished surfaces. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ultra Lightweight Cordless Planer is designed for those moments. It feels light in your hand, making it easy to control during detailed work without causing fatigue. The depth adjustment allows thin, accurate passes so you avoid removing too much material. You can move smoothly across the surface without interruptions or setup delays. When control and comfort come together, even delicate finishing work becomes faster and more reliable. Remote-controlled laser alignment. Mount. Precision work often breaks down during alignment. You set up a laser, step back to check it, then walk over again to adjust, repeating the same cycle until it feels right. The Milwaukee remote-controlled laser alignment mount removes that back and forth completely. You can fine-tune the laser position from where you're actually working, making small, accurate adjustments in real time. This keeps your focus on the task instead of the setup. When alignment becomes a controlled, one-step process, Do you reduce errors and keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted? REDSTICK digital electronic level. There are situations where a traditional bubble level leaves just enough doubt to slow you down. You think it looks right, but you're not completely sure. The Milwaukee REDSTICK digital electronic level removes that uncertainty by giving you exact angle readings in real time. It clearly shows whether you're perfectly level or slightly off, so adjustments become precise and immediate. This is especially useful for long runs or detailed installations where consistency matters. When you no longer rely on guesswork, your results stay accurate and your workflow moves forward without hesitation. M12 Stick Transfer. Pump. Standing water in tight or hard-to-reach areas can slow down work more than expected. Buckets are inefficient. In larger pumps often don't fit where you actually need them. The Milwaukee M12 Stick Transfer Pump is built for those exact situations. Its slim design allows you to place it directly into narrow spaces and start pumping immediately without complicated setup. It runs on a compact battery and delivers steady water flow with minimal effort. When you can remove water quickly and precisely, you keep your work area clear and your project moving without delays. M12 Multi-Position Cordless Fan. Heat and poor airflow can quietly slow down your productivity without you even realizing it. Sweat, discomfort, and stagnant air make it harder to stay focused over time. The Milwaukee M12 Multi-Position Cordless Fan is designed to target that exact problem. You can mount it with magnets, clamps, or place it wherever airflow is needed, so directing air precisely toward your working area. It runs for hours on a single battery and doesn't require any outlet. When your environment stays cool and breathable, your energy lasts longer and your performance stays consistent throughout the day. M12 Handheld Cordless Sprayer. Small tasks like cleaning, rinsing, or applying solutions often become tiring when done manually for long periods. Inconsistent pressure and constant hand effort slow you down and affect results. The Milwaukee M12 Handheld Cordless Sprayer solves that by delivering steady, controlled pressure from start to finish. You simply press the trigger and maintain a consistent spray without fatigue. It's especially useful for equipment cleaning, light maintenance, or surface treatment on site. When your output stays even and effortless, these routine tasks become faster, cleaner, and much easier to manage. 15-inch PACKOUT. Hard structured tool bag. A messy tool bag can slow you down more than you expect, especially when you're constantly searching for the right tool. The Milwaukee 15-inch PACKOUT hard structured tool bag is designed to keep everything organized and easy to access. Its rigid body holds its shape, so it doesn't collapse when you open it, and your tools stay exactly where you place them. The compartments are well structured, making it simple to separate and find items quickly. When your tools are organized and protected, your workflow becomes faster, smoother, and far less frustrating. Smart Personal Helmet Mounted Light. There are moments when both of your hands are fully occupied, but you still need precise lighting to see what you're doing. Holding a flashlight is not practical in those situations. The Milwaukee Smart Personal Helmet Mounted Light solves that by following your line of sight automatically. It attaches securely to your hard hat and provides focused, consistent illumination exactly where you're looking. You don't need to adjust it manually while working. When your vision stays clear and your hands remain free, even detailed tasks in tight or dark spaces become much easier to complete. If you found even one tool useful, make sure to like this video and drop a comment below with your favorite pick. And if you want to stay updated with the latest tools and tech that actually improve real work, subscribe to AU Tech First and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next.